Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get iPhone emoji on your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to get the iPhone images on the Android device, you can use a keyboard app. You can install a third-party keyboard app that includes iPhone style emojis and many more. So here I'm going to Play Store, and here you can see I have already installed the Bitmoji special keyboard. To use these apps, you will need to download and install them from Google Play Store and then set them your default keyboard. Once you have done that, you can access the iPhone emojis by tapping on it emoji icon in the keyboard. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.